If your house is like mine, you have that drawer in the kitchen. Mine's filled with random flashlights, knives, pens, other random things, and also some rechargeable batteries that I never quite know the status of. Same with my lights that take AA and AAA rechargeable batteries. I just never know how charged they are. And honestly, it's kind of a pain to charge them because of the charger that I've been using. Well, enter the Ostation 2 Pro. Previously reviewed the original Ostation, and it was a nice charger, but it did one type of battery. It was kind of big. It wasn't that attractive. And Olight has upped their game with the Ostation 2 Pro. Olight calls this the next-gen 3-in-1 battery hub. It's a charger, a tester, and an organizer all wrapped into one device. One of the big selling points here is the drop-and-go charging. Unlike other battery chargers that I own, you don't have to worry about the polarity when you put the batteries in. You just drop them in, and that's it. And you let the charger sort it out. There's no sorting out the pluses or minuses. You just put them into their respective spots, and the Ostation sorts it all out for you. It works with any brand's nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries, and then Olight's rechargeable lithium-ion 1.5 volt batteries. Once they're inside, the machine automatically detects if a battery is healthy or invalid. If it's bad, it separates it into a separate tray up here. If it's good, it charges it and then moves it into the appropriate trays down at the bottom. Now there's the regular Ostation 2 and the Ostation 2 Pro. The differences with the Ostation 2 Pro are a screen and an extra charger. So let's go over the physical components of it. On the top here are the drawers, the slots that you drop the batteries into, labeled AAA and AA. There's 2 slots in each one, and you just drop the respective batteries in there. Doesn't matter which direction they're pointing, you can then close them and the charger will sort it out. Nothing on this side. On the back, there's the charging port. It does come with a USB-C cable and charging block. On this side is the magnetic charger, which I love, and this just folds right out here. And if you have one of the Olight magnetic charging lights, this just sets right on there and it charges. You know, I have the cables. They're magnetic charging cable, which they're fine, but I don't love using them because it's one extra cable that I have to get out. This, you just set it on, it folds out, and when you are done with it, fold it back up. And then on the front here is the screen. There's the screen here that I'll show you in a minute. This drawer here sorts out the bad or the invalid batteries, the ones that it can't charge. And then there's the AA and the AAA drawers down here. The charging screen up here gives you real-time information on the charging status, the battery health, and alerts. You don't need an app to see what's happening, but there is one. If you have Wi-Fi, you can connect this to your Wi-Fi. You can use the Olight app to monitor your batteries remotely. I honestly think it's a bit overkill, and honestly, I couldn't get the app to pair with this, which apparently is a problem that I have seen based on the reviews. But really, I think the beauty of this charger is that it's just drop in and forget. You drop the batteries in, you walk off, you come back a couple hours later, and they are sorted and charged. And it's beautiful and it's simple. Speaking of batteries, these Olight EcoLast 1.5 volt lithium-ion batteries won a CES Innovation Award. They are apparently the world's first AA lithium-ion batteries with a built-in battery management system. There's a chip inside that talks to the charger, reports the battery's specific ID, health, status, and recharge cycle count. Do you need something that's that fancy? Do you need a battery that has that much fanciness in it? Maybe not, but like so many other things with Olight, they are constant innovations of all of their stuff, and I think these batteries are just one more example of that. So let's do a live test and see how this works. I'm going to plug it in the back here, and it should come on. Let me move it here so you can see it. I have 6 different batteries here. 3 of the Olight rechargeable ones, 2 AA's and the AAA, and then this is a lithium-ion AAA, which should not charge, and then 2 Costco batteries, a Costco AA and AAA. So I'm just going to randomly throw all these in here, let it sort them out, and see how the charging goes. So first the AAA is up in front here. And then in the back, I will put the AA's. And I'm going to let it do its thing. Again, I'm going to speed this up here a little bit because it does take a little bit while it's sorting them out and charging them. It should spit out the bad batteries right in over here. And while it's doing that also, just to show you, if you're already in the Olight ecosystem and you have the rechargeable lights, here's my Warrior Ultra and my Warrior Nano. The only critique I have about this is that there are lights on the back here that show you the charge status. So they're orange when they're charging and they turn green when they're fully charged. And I would like these lights to be in front of the flashlight because when you're looking at the charger, you can't see the lights and you have to kind of peek around the back to see when it's fully charged. But it does show you when it's fully charged. And again, I love the simplicity of this. And then when you're done, take them off, fold it back up. Now the screen up here is a touch screen. So on here, you can go back and there's the 3 different icons there. This is the power off. This is the settings where you can connect it to Wi-Fi. And then this is the charging screen. And it will show the batteries as it's charging. It shows you how much is left. Right now, it's the 2 AA's that are charging, and they are 92 and 95% charged. And eventually it should get that AAA battery down there and start charging that. So into the drawer here, it's spit out the 2 AAA batteries that it cannot charge. The Costco one and the AAA lithium ion. So you can see it's charging the AAA battery now. It finished charging the 2 AA ones. And it spit them out into the drawer here. It will hold 12 batteries, so you can load a whole bunch in here. Just let it do its thing and you go about your day. And you come back and the batteries are there. There's the other AA. And then it should spit out the 3rd AA into the bad battery drawer here because that was a Costco battery. One of the other nice things about the Ostation 2 is that this is 30% smaller. It's also, I think, a lot more attractive than the orange one that they had initially. Let's see what we got up here. Yep, there's the other Costco battery. So just waiting for that 3rd AAA battery to finish charging and it will spit that out. MSRP on this is $140. So if you want to stop digging through junk drawers and start charging smarter, check out the link in the description, as I also included a 10% discount code that you can use on this or any of the other full-priced Olight products. Happy charging.